everybody, welcome to my video today. I have our September card class to go that is launching today, and you can see these are our cards. They are so cute. They are made with all brand new product from the holiday catalog. So this is a great way to get started with some products from the holiday catalog with some projects that you can make right away. So there is this one right here. Wendy Cranford designed 2 of these projects. We do a card class together every single month, and these are our cards that we're going to be doing this month in class. And so we take those cards and we create kits for you, and then you can get the kits and the product and you can make these with us. So you get exclusive videos on how to create each of these cards, plus you get a PDF. We just recently added a PDF printable tutorial for you guys to have as well. So these are the cards that we're going to make. For $32, you can get the cost of this class to go. There are several options that you can choose from. For $20, you can just get the videos and you don't get any product, you don't get any of the kits, you just get the videos, you can see. And then for $25, you can just get the kits. So you won't get the stamp sets to create them with. You can order those separately, but for $25 you'll get the exclusive videos, the PDF tutorial, and then all of the supplies to make all of these cards. And then we have a couple options for you guys if you would like to get product with these cards. So you can choose one of the stamp sets for $32. So you can choose one of these, and then you'll get the card kits, the videos, the tutorial, the printable tutorial, and then one of these stamp sets. So this is the one that Wendy used for her cards, and then this is the one that I used for my cards. So if you would like both of the stamp sets plus the card kits and the videos and tutorial, that is going to be $47 for both stamp sets. And then because this is all brand new product, and we know you may not have, you won't have this because it's brand new, and you may want the dies that go with this, the coordinating dies. There's the coordinating die for this, and then there is a coordinating die for this. And my favorite part of this die is this little guy right here. Let me show you. I've been using this, and I have some tape on here, and is this guy right here, this super cute spider web die. So if you would like both stamp sets, both sets of dies, plus the card kits, the videos, the printable tutorial, that is going to be $96. All of that includes shipping, so each of the prices. So $20 just for the videos, $25 just for the kit, $32 and you would pick either or stamp set, $47 and you get both stamp sets, or $96 you get both bundles of product. So those options are listed below in the YouTube description. They're also on my website. You can just click those and you can pick those up. So these are our cards. This is the card class to go for September. I really love these cards. I'm excited for all of the colors and the fun holiday theme. This is fall, and we have some Halloween stuff. So I love all of this. So thank you guys so much for watching today. Check out those options below in the YouTube description or over on my website. Or if you're seeing this on Facebook, it will be in the description as well. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday, and I will talk to you guys again on Friday for Memory Keeping Friday. So much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.